Imagine a chilly night, a cozy blanket, and a warm, hearty bowl of soup that doesn't just fill you up, but also wraps its aromatic tendrils around your senses. Now imagine the soup is not only delicious, but aligns perfectly with your health goals, being low in carbs yet rich in flavor. This essay isn't just about recipes. It's about creating magic in your kitchen with ingredients that tell stories, techniques that span centuries, and culinary creativity that will light up your taste buds. From the smoky depths of a traditional Spanish gazpacho with a modern twist, to the comforting embrace of a Thai coconut chicken soup, each recipe in this collection offers a unique narrative. These are not just soups, they are sensory experiences that beckon you to the kitchen, promising both warmth and wellness. Soup is the song of the hearth and the home. Across the globe, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene valleys of Tuscany, soup signifies comfort. In this section, we delve into the art and science of creating soups that soothe the soul without burdening the body with excessive carbs. Key ingredients like bone broth, leafy greens and herbs form the backbone of our low-carb soup symphony. Understanding the basics of soup making involves appreciating how flavors meld in a pot. It's about harmony and balance, whether you're simmering a broth or blending ingredients for a creamy consistency. This culinary foundation sets the stage for the delicious adventures to come. Gazpacho, a revered Spanish cold soup, traditionally comes to life with ripe tomatoes, crisp cucumbers and a splash of olive oil. Here we introduce a bold twist, a hint of chipotle pepper, adding a smoky depth that dances on the palate. This adaptation not only enhances the flavor profile but also adds an element of surprise to a well-loved classic. The preparation of this gazpacho involves pureeing the vegetables for a smooth texture, then infusing the soup with the smoky chipotle. The result? A dish that's both refreshing and intriguing, perfect for a summer dinner party or a solitary treat. On sweltering days, a cold soup can be more refreshing than a dip in the pool. Enter creamy avocado and cucumber soup, a blend of lush avocados and crisp cucumbers, topped with a dash of lime to cut through the richness. This soup is not only a delight to the taste buds, but also a feast for the eyes with its vibrant green hue. The key to this soup is the texture. Blending the ingredients until silky smooth, and then chilling the mixture allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It's a straightforward yet sophisticated dish that brings a touch of elegance to any meal. Thai cuisine is a masterful study in flavor balance, spicy, sour, sweet and salty. Our Thai coconut chicken soup embodies this philosophy, with rich coconut milk, fiery red curry paste and zesty lime juice creating a harmonious blend that's both comforting and invigorating. The process involves simmering chicken in coconut milk infused with lemongrass, galangal and lime leaves, then finishing with fresh herbs for a burst of flavor. This soup not only warms but also nourishes, providing a hearty yet healthy centerpiece for your dining table. Roasting tomatoes and red peppers deepens their flavors, bringing out a natural sweetness that's perfect for a comforting bowl of soup. Paired with a touch of garlic and a sprinkle of fresh basil, this soup is a celebration of simplicity and taste. This recipe takes you through roasting the vegetables to perfection, blending them into a creamy consistency and seasoning the mix to highlight the robust flavors. It's a perfect example of how simple ingredients, when treated with care, can result in a dish that's both rustic and refined. Combining the earthy flavour of broccoli with the rich, piquant taste of Stilton cheese creates a soup that's both comforting and sophisticated. This dish has roots in British cuisine, where hearty, creamy soups are staples during the cold months. The preparation involves cooking the broccoli until just tender, then blending it with Stilton for that creamy texture. This soup is both a nod to tradition and a testament to the power of pairing the right ingredients. It's the perfect end to our culinary journey, leaving you enriched and inspired. This essay isn't just a collection of recipes, it's a passport to a world of flavours, a guide to cooking with care, and a reminder that even the humblest of dishes can tell a profound story. So grab your pot, pick your ingredients, and let's create some low-carb soup magic together.